My name is Jong Weon and I'm from the Sejong University in Seoul, Korea. And this work is, the title of this work is a 360 panorama generation using drone-mounted fisheye cameras. So that there are many 360 systems, but it is difficult to attach into the drones directly because the captured image of the 360 images will contain the drone itself. So we developed a new camera system which can attach it at the wing of the drone. So the result of the image doesn't contain any drones. So from this, the result of the captured images, we can easily create 360 images.